Right, so I had these hubcaps laying around. I don't even know if they're all original. There was one of them I thought wasn't. Maybe it was. I think these are all original hubcaps. See, they have these little things on them. That's how I usually know. But see how this one was really dented, okay? And the chrome on them was shot. This one had a crack in it, okay? And they're original. This is cool. And this thing, it had some hubcaps on it. I don't know if they're original or good or not. Like I said, the chrome on these, you can kind of give me an idea. The chrome was really bad. That's another original one. And look at this one. Let's see if it's original too. Yeah, all original hubcaps. So these now are like, for the commercial ones that are painted, are like, I want to say they're over $100 or $79 a piece. Pretty expensive. And do they really need to not have any filler in them to be painted? So, got my filler. These ones here, they were chrome, and we just beat them as straight as we could. But the chrome was shot. Like, this one was really badly pitted. It was just, they were just not savable for chrome hubcaps. So, I thought this would be a good opportunity to recycle these and use them as commercial hubcaps. So, anyway, I'm going to start filling these up. I'll let you guys, put you guys over here somewhere and let you guys observe, and we'll see how it turns out. All right, talk to you in the next portion. Well, then again, you guys might know the drill. I've got to do more than one thing with the primer when I get those hubcaps done, so might as well block and prime this again. What do you think? All right, so this door here looks pretty good. Let's say it just needs one more light block and it's ready. This is the one that had all the really bad damage. So I got a little bit of dust on there. Let's see. Yeah. That one had the whole bottom was replaced on that one, so it looks pretty good. And these are just primered. So they got some pinholes in them, you can see there. A bunch of pinholes from that filler. It does that a lot. But, it works. It sands really easy, so I'll just put that glazing in there. That glazing I use is pretty amazing. And then I got one heavy high spot there. I can probably easily fix that, with the glaze coat. I mean, hubcaps, when they're on the car, they're down low and they're painted satin, they don't look that bad, even at that, so I'll just go ahead and do them that way. These again are supposed to be painted commercial for the Westphalia, so I figured I'll do them the original. I'll do it all original, and then play with it from there if I want to do something else. And then I'm going to go original. I think it'll look kind of neat. Pearl white. These will be kind of a darker gray than this. Hubcaps with a white rims and white bumpers and a white emblem. It look pretty cool. Bright white emblem, pearl white. Pearl white's really off white. I mean, look at that's pearl white, but it's really dirty. You can see up there where we clean the dash, it's a little shinier, cleaner. That's how it's supposed to look. Alright, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching the project. Let's see what happens next.